Hey yo, it's your boy, J.Kat OUT, but you cool? El luchador. Alright, this is a little different from the usual, so bear with me now. As you can see by the thumbnail of the video, we're gonna be productive today. You know, because all these self-help books, they be thinking about, oh, begin with the end in mind. 7 highly affected habits for highly affected young teenagers. Oh my gosh, stop looking at my hair, bro. It gave me like a mullet. I don't even want to talk about it. Look, anyways, I actually really like self-development stuff, you know, like lately, like this last year I've been, you know, look, I got like I'm writing down stuff, you know. It's all kind of funky stuff, you know, and I've been growing myself, you know, I've been trying to do better every single day. Life is beautiful, you know what I mean. So today we're going to draw a play button. Look, am I recording? Yes, hold on. So I thought, you know what, because I'm going to be like the greatest YouTuber ever, mark my words, we should start off with the 100K subscribers. If y'all don't know what a vision board is, bro, what y'all doing? Like, for real. Like, bro, get on with the program, please. For real, though, I think vision boards is a great, like, direction point. Oh, look. That look cool. Hey. Oh, jeez. I should be an artist. Nah, I'm just playing. So, let's start drawing. This is ridiculous. Should I do it with a pen or a pencil? I'm gonna do it with the pencil. Trust me, this is legendary moment right here because, wait, which one do I want to do? Hold on. I think the new ones look like these, right? Let me see. Ooh, should we just go straight? No, chill, Joshua, chill. This is a progress. All right, cool. Give me some space, everybody move. All right, so I guess I'll show you the process. All right, so you know what, look, this is what I'm gonna be doing it. Look, I had like a bigger paper, but I couldn't find it, so we're just gonna do it here. So let's get right into this. So first, damn, this is a drawing channel or what? Damn, bro, I am the greatest YouTuber alive. All right, look.
Boom. Oh my gosh. Stop looking at me. Stop. I can't focus while you're looking at me. Oh my gosh. Bro, stop. Okay. We're almost done. Yo, I didn't think it was gonna be this quick. Hold on. Presented to. Oh, yes. Wait, what is this? Wait, let me see. Let me check.
Look. Yo, shout out to happyfolding.com. She look kind of, I don't know, she look kind of crazy. Hey, look, let's just go back to this one. All right, we're almost done. Boom! Y'all ready for the final product? Watch this. Cue the Legend of Zelda music. Ah, dang it, bro. You can't see. Hold on. Let me see. Yo, is it backwards? I don't know if it's gonna be backwards or whatnot, but you get the point, though. See the art skills though? Can we just admire our art skills? My art skills. Bro. Picasso who? Alright, don't get too cocky because then you won't reach this goal. Okay, look, boom. So basically, let's cut this out actually. Y'all thought I was gonna color this? You got me messed up. Actually, I was like top tier coloring kid in elementary actually. I would draw so cool too. Well, like, I had these types of drawing skills when I was in elementary. Now think about that. That's just top tier. But after that, I just stopped, you know. But like everyone thought I was cool because I could draw cool. these art skills, I had them back then. You see, you feel me? But anyways, here it is. You can barely see it, but I'm gonna. But yeah, so let me see. Yeah, you can see it back there, sorta. Let me. Look. Oh yeah, in camera I look kind of wonky, but I can see it. Now look, that's my vision board. That's part of my vision board, I guess. But yeah, that's gonna be our goal for the KOOLKATZ. And look, we're gonna make it. Mark my words. I don't know when, and I don't know how. But look, anything is possible. So do your vision board, whatever you want, write it down, do a little vision board, put it up there where you can see it every single day. I guarantee you it's going to happen. I'm gonna prove it to y'all. If you don't believe me, you're thinking, bro, this is just some BS. Watch me. Give me like about, hold on. I don't know. Give me, I guess like 3 months. 3 months. Give me 3 months. Hey, look, anything's possible. I'm gonna try it though. You reach for the moon? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. A pen flew off. Almost hit my eye. Oh my gosh. Anyways, like I was saying, you shoot for the moon, you hope to hit a star or something. I guess that's pretty quirky. But anyways, yeah, this is the video for today. Together we're gonna reach this, and then after we reach that, we already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the next milestone. I don't know when the next. I think the next is it 500K. If it's 500K, we'll do a vision board for the 500K. And if it's for the 1 million, look, I don't really know. But look, we'll do the next one while we get there. That's my word, that's my promise. Only if we get there. Which we are, right? Right? I'm just playing. Anyways, I love y'all, KOOLKATZ. Dream big. Spread love, positive. Look, I gotta go. Peace. Me and your bitch take a trip on a date. I've been on the road, yeah, I'm going state to state.